In this video, we will be discussing a groundbreaking proposal to improve the standard of Head Start programs across the country. Head Start is a federally funded program that provides comprehensive early childhood education, health, nutrition, and parent involvement services to low-income children and their families. The program has been in existence for over 50 years, and while it has helped millions of children, there is always room for improvement. Our proposal seeks to revolutionize Head Start programs by implementing several key changes. First, we recommend increasing the length of the program from 1 year to 2 years. This will give children more time to develop the skills and knowledge they need to succeed in kindergarten and beyond. Second, we propose enhancing the curriculum to focus more on science, technology, engineering, and math, STEM, subjects. This will help children develop the critical thinking and problem-solving skills they need to succeed in the 21st century. Third, we recommend increasing the number of trained and qualified teachers in the program. This will ensure that children receive high-quality instruction and support from knowledgeable educators. Fourth, we propose increasing the involvement of parents and families in the program. This will help parents better understand their child's progress and provide support and encouragement for their child's learning and development. Finally, we recommend increasing the funding for Head Start programs to support these changes. Our proposal recognizes that improving the standard of Head Start programs will require additional resources, but we believe that investing in our children's education and future is well worth the cost. We are excited about this proposal and believe that it has the potential to transform the lives of millions of children and families across the country. We urge policymakers, educators, parents, and advocates to support this proposal and help us make Head Start programs even more effective and impactful. Follow us for more ideas and increased growth of your preschool. Visit our website www.mykidreports.com.